Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm Dr. Hamna Iftikhar, and today's lecture regarding gastroenterology is about gastritis. Gastritis is the inflammation of the stomach lining, and it is usually asymptomatic, and it is mostly diagnosed on the basis of mucosal biopsies. So this lecture is being divided into three sections. The first being acute and chronic gastritis. We'll be studying about the differences between acute and chronic gastritis. And in addition to that, we'll be studying about acute erosive gastritis, which is also known as reactive gastropathies. In the second section, we'll be studying about the different types of classification of gastritis, being the infectious including the viral, bacterial, fungal infections, and then we'll be studying about a more distinctive type of gastritis, and then allergic gastritis, and finally hyperplastic hypersecretory type of gastritis. And finally, in the third section, we'll be studying about autoimmune type of gastritis, being the granulomatous gastritis and gastritis in the inflammatory bowel diseases such as the Crohn's disease and the ulcerative colitis. And finally, we'll be studying about the differential diagnosis regarding gastritis and the treatment modalities that we can offer to these patients. So I hope you want to learn more about gastritis, so do watch the other sections regarding this lecture.